Hey guys, welcome to this coupon count. We in Dollar Tree and we are getting ready to, yes, do some more shopping. But before Christmas, I'm actually here to collect bags up though to put inside of put my gifts in. So I need a couple more bags. Look at that, crazy for summer. I like that. And then for leaving the journey, it don't matter what kind of bags I get though. Are these a little smaller? Those are a little smaller. I like these. Those are a little smaller. And they different little brands of bags. So, I like those. Let me get an orange. Like, you know, they ain't real big bags. Like, I like that one. That's cute. Look at it. Different little sizes of bags. Okay, it's getting scarce in here. It's getting empty. Okay, wrapping some gift tissue paper. Oh my God, y'all, look. Think spring. They already replacing all the flowers.
It's washing.
Yeah. Look, they got canisters out already. They plastic. They pretty though. Right? Green. They got purple and blue. But look, all of the spring flowers are off. Look, all of them. Oh wow. See, they move it before the holiday even over. They just go ahead and take it out. This whole area was full of Christmas stuff. Filled with it. It's all gone. So we found some more Energizer batteries. There goes some more back there. I'm getting those back there too. I better check and see who's in line first. Okay guys, so I got like 10. I got a whole lot of battery coupons. You just gotta, my mother here with me, so she'll grab some. And then I guess, but those are all free. And I will show you guys the coupon in a minute. Of course you saw this haul, but that's okay because for the people who didn't, hey guys, look, oh, they clearing out for Christmas. So this Intimates, what they leave for us today. The golden, the English muffins, I want some of these. The kids been eating those. Uh-oh. What's under here? Okay, they all English muffins, they bagels, those type of things. So I don't want those. Okay. So that's it for that one, guys. They cleaned that out. Let me get this up. Okay, we need some condensed cream of chicken for cooking. This is for the holiday, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. Of course, I won't be cooking these. My husband will. Look, guys, Campbell's chicken and rice. Oh, this and on. Wow, it ain't been up in here, so I'm gonna grab me one of these. The Texas toast croutons is here. I was looking to see if we had any more big boxes of cereal, but those are all gone, which is fine. We okay. Let me grab one of these packs because we're gonna have, of course, some tacos because today Tuesday. Okay, and here is the battery coupon right here. It's $1.50 off 1 pack of Energizer batteries. So we're going to get all those batteries for free. And you guys see how many I got? I'm going to try to use all of them up. I got another set too, so hopefully they'll replenish. Okay guys, I'm going to grab 2 of these Cinnamon Toast Crunch right here or the Reese's Puff. So I'm going to get 1 of each. And this is the coupon, $1 off 2. Oh look guys, they got the VA cans in here. Look, the VA vegetable can. Okay, they got those in there. And I didn't know this was so expensive. This is really expensive. This Fairlife with honey oats. It's creamy strawberry. What is it? It make a sound though. And then it's chocolate up here. So if you see this guys and you want to buy this, grab it because it's real expensive. I didn't know that. This is like $2 at the store. $2 or something. Okay, so we're gonna finish looking around. We're going to some more aisles so we can get ready and see what else they got up in here. But I like to take you all through the store because, you know, like this, the Dollar Tree, they got everything in it. Everything. You can't go long. See that? There's that panko. That's the panko, guys. If you got the panko, then these are free. I don't have the panko. It's $1 off coupon on these. So you see the panko, these the breadcrumbs. They're $1 off coupon on these. Grab that if you got them. I don't have them with me today. That's what just made me mad. Okay, I always find Goya when it ain't none left. Look guys, look at all the Goya. I always find it when my coupons is gone or I don't have them with me.
What is that?
That's that Goya sauce. They don't really, look guys, where's up those little pieces on the floor? They clean. Oh, okay, the long brush.
Oh yeah.
The long brush. I'm looking for it for my mother.
Yeah.
Oh look, now it's a green one. You see another color?
Yes.
Okay, so here's a green one. I want to grab one of these. Look at that.
It's cute. What is
That's
that?
cute. It's a sponge. Okay, guys, look at this sponge. So they got a lot of different bath stuff. Here, y'all see all the bottles they have up through here. I like to take you all through this walk through so you can see. And what's this? Bath soak. All kind of nice stuff up in here. Facials. Forever scrubs. John Frieda used to be so expensive. Now he up in here. Look at that. There's the Ponds again. Got all of those. They got gifts up here. They got stuff going. What is this? A Vagisil Sensitive Scents Bath Bomb. Wow. Okay, well, it's new. I haven't saw it. So I guess you could just like break off a little piece and put it in your water. But it's got Vagisil, guys. So maybe when we get some Vagisil coupons, we could use those on this. But I don't use like bath bombs and stuff on. I'll be needing something for real. See, guys, how clean this is. This is really super clean. I'm impressed. Even though they do a good job. And I kind of like have my good days up in here. Okay. So let me see. I was looking for Bliss Stacks. Oh, there it is. But I need 2 of them. And that is, I don't like that one. But I do. Where's the other Bliss Stacks? RVO. I don't want that one though. I got, you know, it's 75 cents off 2. Okay, guys, I won't be getting that, but you know we got that coupon, 2 off 75 right here. It is right here, but I can't get it because it's only one of them. And remember I told you about the SEPA calls was in here. Here they are. I'm not gonna get any hauls. I don't today. Reach got an instant whitening pen. I bought this 5-minute tooth whitening system. I haven't used it yet. Look at that, guys. It's modeling dough, and it's made like this. Oh, there's the little sticks up in there. That's clay. Oh, that's cute. That's a good stocking stuffer. Yeah, they got some nice stocking stuffers over here. Okay, so let's go see what else they got. Let's go. We're gonna go down these rows, guys. But y'all see this? Boy, they hurry up. They ushering in the spring instantly. All of that spring stuff. New Year's and the spring. Just a pop of New Year's now. Just a pop. They don't want to do too much. Right, they don't want to do too much. They hurrying up getting this stuff up out of here. Look at
Let's start 21.
Yeah, that's what they want. I don't blind. What's this? Red clocks. A strange, lovely, luminous. I love red clocks with my heart. They got a lot of books over here to be nice.
Yeah, they do.
The Midnight Star. An Unlikely Journey. Julian Castro. What's that? Limelight. They got a different books, guys. I love books. The Wizard's Dog. I bet that's a good book to read. Oh, look. They got a lot of kid books. Cinderella. Jack and the Beanstalk. Oh, Wave, A Journey Through the Sea of Imagination. Oh, okay. And it's a coloring book. French Exit. Margaret Trubin. Our Moon. Oh, okay. Here's the, look at this game. A backgammon. Wait, is that 3-in-1? It's a board game, mother, with a lot of different games on it. But okay, backgammon, chess, and checkers. Okay. Yeah, they got games over here. They done condensed everything, guys. Like, it ain't even crowded like it was. Of every single thing. Okay, they got all kind of puzzles. Now, I feel like, okay, this is it right here. Bling Girls, Bling Bling. Big Diamonds, Love Girls. I think these would be nice puzzles to put on walls. Then that's PJ Masks. That's a cute puzzle. Here's Stay Cool. That's a nice puzzle. You can put that on a wall. How the kids do it and put it on their wall. The Unicorn, Lovely Tale. Those are cute. Up. Here's Day of the Dawn or Dawn of the Day. One of them. I like it anyway. I like that. Okay. Puzzles galore. Okay. Baby Shark. Oh my God. They got Baby Shark. They got puzzles. All of these are different puzzles. And they got nice puzzles that you can put on the wall as a picture. That's basically what they doing. I like those. Here's another one. They're going old Mickey Mouse. A vintage Mickey Mouse. Yep, vintage Mickey Mouse right here. That's a good puzzle. Hey guys, this in the store for $1. I saw somebody buying this for $1.69. Don't buy that. Go, I always check your Dollar Trees first. My antibacterial comment. Yep, I need 2 of these. So antibacterial comment. That's I use this to clean my bathroom, and it don't have a bad smell or nothing to it. It works real good, so I like it. And plus the kids can use it. So okay guys, we are getting ready to get out of Dollar Tree. I hope you all enjoyed this shop with me video. I really liked it. Please hit like and subscribe and share my channel, guys. Share. Hey guys, welcome to the coupon camp again. So this is my haul. I went to another Dollar Tree, and guess what guys? Start horning in on the left side. Look at that. Oh my God. First of all, I found these Peptos. Remember we had that $2 coupon, so these were free. Both Peptos were free. I saw a lady in line with these with about 8 packs of them. And I said, oh, hey, I said, is it a coupon for that? And she showed it to me. Of course, it was the coupon for the 3 for $2. So she said, yeah, no beeps. So I grabbed 2 because that's all was left. Look, guys. OMG. OMG. If I would have had those coupons, I wouldn't have got a free one, but I would have got it for free. Wouldn't have been buy one, get one free, but I would have got it for free. 2 of these little, I figured they would make it to the dollar store soon. She was like, oh my God, they got the Axe spray too. Her cart looked fantastic. So yes, this was a fantastic haul. I had to go back, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get back there today and see if I can find if they put any more Peptos out, any more of these and some of those, and I'm gonna rack up because my nieces need them. So y'all judge me not. Get to the Dollar Tree and get what you need. Okay, so these was free. These are free. You know, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of batteries was free. I mean, these were $1. These were free. These are free. These are free. So I got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 free items. New finds. Got my antibacterial comment. That coupon worked on these. No beats. My kids will not go back to school until January, the middle of January. So I need all the snacks I can. Oh, and then since we went to another Dollar Tree, I got my coupon bag and got my hauls too. I ended up buying 2 packs of these because I think we're going to have a tacos on Christmas Eve. And then I had to grab more gift bags for my nieces and nephews, and I bought some paper. So thanks guys for tuning in. I enjoy shopping with you all. Be looking for some new videos coming out in January. I want to do some different things. Just stick with me guys. It's going to be well worth it. Bye.